Hi guys, very good evening. So we start the session. So today we'll be going to start a new topic. So uh, what? So we will discuss about something called as paginated reports. Okay. Hope you are able to hear my voice, right?
Yes, sir, it's audible.
Yes, sir.
So today we'll be going to start one new topic, very important topic, real-time topic basically, which you use. It's the most asked in interview questions. Okay. So what are these paginated reports? Okay, so paginated reports, a very important topic of today. So basically, till now we have came through three different components of your Power BI. So one is your Power BI desktop. Okay, so desktop component. So then your service component, that is nothing but your cloud, Power BI service. Then we have something called as query editor. So which is nothing but your data transformation or data cleaning tool. Okay, then we have something called as Power BI for mobile app. So these are the four components which we have worked on it, and we have you know uh, we spend some time on these things. So today we are going to discuss a new component called Power BI report editor. This is your fifth component. Okay, fifth component, Power BI report builder. So Power BI report builder is one of the component of your Power Microsoft Power BI. How your Power BI desktop, Power BI service, Power Query Editor, Power BI for mobile, all these are different components of your Power BI. Similarly, your Power BI report builder, it is also one of the component of your Power BI, which is exclusively used to create paginated reports. It is used to create paginated reports. Okay. So what is this paginated reports? How these are different from your normal reports, basically? See, whatever reports till now we developed. Okay. So those are normal reports. See, for example, uh, let me open your reports. Okay. So this is your normal report basically. Okay. This is your normal report. Whatever you are seeing, retail analysis sample, this is your normal report. Whatever report you have generated. Okay. So suppose if you publish this report and if you take the printout of this, okay, fine. So basically, let me check. Okay. So let me publish this. Now we need to understand what is the difference between your normal report and page-generated report. Now, whatever the report till now we have developed, these are nothing but your normal reports, and these normal reports can be published in normal workspaces. Okay, can be published in normal workspaces like my workspace is a default workspace. These are all normal workspaces where I can publish your normal report. But your page-generated reports are something different actually. Okay, fine. So let me publish this normal report in your workspace. So it is asking for replace. Yes, I replace. Now let me get into your Power BI service and just have a look at your published report. Abhi Deep page. It's taking time because the retail analysis sample is a big file actually. So done. So when I click on this, directly I'll get into your Power BI Service Cloud where I can see my published normal report. Just have a look of your normal report. So this is your normal report where I can export to PDF file or I can print whatever maybe. See, for example, if you want to print this page, click on print this page. So when you click on print this page, the whole content of the report will not be shown in one page. That is, it is not fitted into one page. That is the reason why it is not called as a paginated report. Okay, so this is the difference between your paginated report and normal report. Your normal report will not be, whenever you print the normal report or whenever you want to save it as in a PDF file, okay, it won't get fitted into the page. Okay, so you can't see the complete data. Basically, some data will be missing. Actually, it is not properly fitted into the page. This is how. 1 minute, be online. Just be online, ma. I'm getting one important call. I'll come back by 1 minute. Huh? Yeah. So what we are discussing basically in a normal report like this, when you take a printout or when you take some, PDF into PDF format, for example, if you want to save it as a PDF, I won't get the complete report. See, this is a very small report. Suppose if you have a big report, okay, it won't be fetched in the complete one page, basically. Okay. So let me check, basically it won't be fetched, some data will be truncated, basically, some data will be out of box. Okay. So this is the problem of my normal report. Okay. So that is the reason why, okay, I need something report which is called as paginated report. See, paginated reports are generally, these are for the, basically these are for the reports where we have large number of tabular data columns. Okay. For example, this is your tabular column. Like this, you have a huge table in your report. I can't print the data of this huge table in one page. Okay. In the normal report. That is my disadvantage in your normal report. But in real time, you have a lot of data where that is stored in the tables and you want to display that in a one page. How it is possible? With the help of your paginated reports. Paginated reports. See, so in order to explain this, in order to design this paginated, see, to design your normal reports, I can take the help of your Power BI desktop component, or I can take your help of your cloud, that is your Power BI service. But to design your paginated report, okay, I need to take the help of a new component called as Power BI Builder. Power BI Builder. So Power BI Report Builder. Power BI Report Builder is a new component. So basically, you can go to Microsoft Apps. You can click on Install on Windows. Just when you click on Install on Windows, already I have installed. Okay. So it comes to your Microsoft Store. So it is showing me an open. Okay. So just close this. Power BI Report Builder. So this is already installed in my system. So just you need to go to Google and click on install, or go to your Microsoft or Microsoft Store. Just check for Power BI Report Builder. You can install here itself. Once you install, you can just click on open. So when you click on open, your Power BI Report Builder tool will be visualized for you. Okay, the look and feel, the UI interface, where that is a place, this is a place for you to build your what kind of reports? Paginated reports. So this is your look and feel. This is your pop-up where you can create your what you call new paginated reports. Okay, so Power BI Builder, Power BI Report Builder is a tool which is exclusively used to design and develop and test or run your paginated reports. If you want to develop or design or test or run your paginated reports, which component you should install in your system? Power BI Report Builder. So basically, I'll be choosing table or matrix wizard. So in the new report, this is a default where I can build my paginated report. Just click on this. So this is my user interface. Don't worry about this. I'll be discussing now later. So let us discuss more about paginated reports. Okay. So now, what is this paginated reports basically? So as we discussed, paginated reports in Power BI are designed to be printed or shared in a well formatted to fit on a page. If you want to fit the complete report in a single page, then you need to go for your paginated report. That is the reason why the name itself tells you like paginated reports. What is meant that paginated reports? These reports can be fitted into the single page. These reports can be fitted onto the single page. That is the reason why it is called as a paginated report. Okay. So they will display all the data in the table, even if table spans multiple pages, and you have control the reports layout exactly. So paginated reports are ideal for tabular reports. See, basically, these paginated reports are best for the tabular reports. Suppose if you have many tables in your large or huge tables in your reports, then it is always it is better to go for paginated reports compared to your normal reports. Don't go for normal report because you can't print or you can't export or you can't visualize that in a single page. So always if you have more tables in your reports, then go for paginated report development rather than normal reports. And basically and are highly formatted to yield as many pages as necessary to print or export everywhere. So this is about your paginated reports. Okay. Now we'll get into how to develop these paginated reports. So with help of your Power BI report builder. So this is your look and feel of your Power BI report builder, as we mentioned basically. So before getting into that, I want to discuss something about uh, 1 minute. So let me get into the cloud. Okay. So this is your cloud. Where is your cloud? So let me get into your cloud Power BI service. So basically, I want to discuss something about premium workspaces. Okay. See, what is this premium workspaces? See, now you have something called as workspace in your Power BI service cloud. Yes, I know. So how can we access your workspace? You have, see here, this is your workspace. When you click on workspace, this is your my workspace, the default workspace. Okay, now see here, Rutvik is also a workspace. But see here, there is a diamond symbol here. See here. And when you put your hand on your diamond symbol, it is showing Power BI premium user account. So this is nothing but a premium workspace. Stream dataset is not a premium workspace. Venkatesh workspace is not a premium workspace. But Rutvik is a premium workspace. So what is the difference between this premium workspace and the normal workspace? See, in normal workspace, you can publish normal reports. In premium workspace, you can publish paginated reports. So just get into this premium workspace. Okay. See, already one paginated report has been, see here, see the type paginated report has been published. Okay. Now, how can you create a new paginated report? Just click on this. Here you have something called as paginated report. So when you click on this paginated report, okay, so directly it will get into, okay, it will ask to load the data, all these things. Okay. So basically before getting into that, fine. So just I want to explain this. Always we will be publishing, once we create the paginated report, we'll be publishing these paginated reports to the premium workspace. How to get this premium workspace? Very simple. Just go to this workspaces, click on my workspace. Okay, or click on, see what you do, just you are able to see more options here. See, I want to convert my Venkatesh workspace to the premium workspace. Just click on workspace settings. Okay, so you have something called as premium. You have something called as premium. Just select premium per user. Just premium per user, click on apply. Okay, so click on continue. So now your Venkatesh workspace is a premium workspace. Your premium workspace. Now just I'll go to workspace. Now see here, Venkatesh workspace, one symbol, diamond symbol is coming. So that is nothing but your premium workspace where you can publish your paginated reports. Okay, where you can publish your paginated reports. Okay, so this is how you need to make your workspace as a premium workspace. Now we'll get into something called as Power BI report builder, where we start creating your or developing your paginated reports. It's very simple. So before getting into that, I want to show you something. Let me get into this Venkatesh workspace. Okay. So I want to show you something. You have something called as three buttons here. Click on learn. Okay. See learn. See, you have sample reports. Many sample reports. In this, I'll be taking an example of uh, retail analysis, supplier analysis, quantity analysis sample. So I'll be taking this report, supplier quantity analysis sample report, as my example in order to make you to understand what is paginated report. Just click on this. So some objects are not, I'm not able to visualize because it is not supporting my system, especially in map, where we need to fix it, but not to worry about this. So this is your supplier quality analysis report, where I'm interested in just top bottom analysis. Now see here we have a very big table here. Why I have taken this? Because of this table. So 99% you will be in the real time, you'll be designing your paginated reports, for tabular visualizations, for tabular reports. This is a pakka tabular reports where you have large amount of table. Now see here, the first column is, we have vendor as the first column, then we have total defect quantity, then total time tone in terms of minutes. Okay, now what we are going to do, see, this is the normal report. Still, till now, we didn't develop your paginated report. Okay, so this normal report we are able to view in your Power BI Service Cloud. Okay, now see here, sole holdings is the first row, and total time town minutes is 2300. Here, the last row, what I can see is cone something, it is 0 here. Okay, okay, that is the last row what I can see, but huge amount of data is there if you scroll down. Okay, so last row is nothing but zoom tone 00. Okay, that is, please remember, zoom tone 00, that is the last row. Now when I take this printout, so what I'll do, just I'll go to file. Okay, print this page. Well, click on print this page, and now tell me, see here, are you able to print this page are you able to view this complete report in a single page? And also, what is the last element of your vendor? Something zoom tone, right? But you are not able to see this last element. This is the problem of your normal reports. Even though you change the landscape, the page layout, you are not able to see. See here, whatever it is showing now, when I just click cancel, whatever you are showing here, it is showing lastly cone something, cone hot is something, it is showing only that it is showing, and it is not only it is showing vendor details. It is not showing total defect quantity. It is not showing total downtown minutes. Everything is truncated. Yes or no? Everything is truncated when you try to print this page. Now, how to solve this issue? Okay, see here. Now, even though you are able to get the complete report, but you are not getting the complete table here. This is not a complete report. Of course, you are able to get the 3 columns, but what is the last row here? It is not cone hotis. It is something, zone tone. Yes or no? Just go down. What about this data? How you will be able to see data? See here. So something we have zone tone, we have Zimix, Zerlan, where it is actually. Okay, I'm not able to see in the printout. Yes or no? So this is nothing but your drawback. This is nothing but your drawback of your normal reports which you created in your Power BI desktop or Power BI. See here, only one page. Okay, only one page I'm getting. I'm not even getting second page. Yes or no? So this is the problem of your what you called normal reports. The same thing we can develop. See here, the same table, like having vendor column, total defect, then total downstream, and same thing we can create in your paginated report, and the complete information, complete information I'll be able to complete information I'll be able to show on my pages. Okay. Whenever I am able to show on my PDF or print on PDF, I'll be able to get the complete report or complete data in the paginated report. This is advantage of your paginated reports. So generally, whenever you have a huge amount of data, tabular reports like this, so then you'll get a necessity to develop your paginated reports. Otherwise, there is no need actually. Okay, so now, so I told you how to design your paginated reports. So you need to go get into your Power BI report builder. So already I have a Power BI report builder. Okay, so this is my, let me close this. Again, I'll open. So how to get into Microsoft Store. So you can search for Power BI report builder. So here you will get app to install. Click on it. Once you get installed, just click on open. So once you open, we will guide you step by step how to create your paginated report, which is very easy. Now by default, you are in the new report view. You want to create a table wizard. Basically, I want to create a table or chart. I want to map. It is asking you want to create a blank or you want to create a table. I want to create a table because 99% paginated reports are used for creating table reports. Okay. So I want to create a table. Click on table. It is asking, do you want to create a data set? You want to choose the data? Yes. Create a data set. Click on data set. Click next. And it is asking, okay, so data source correction. Click on new. So use a meaningful name like vendor quality and vendor quality. Okay, so what is the type of connection? By default, it is Microsoft SQL Server database. Change it to Power BI semantic model. See, Power BI semantic model is something about your cloud service. Yes or no? Power BI semantic model is something about semantic model or a data set that is stored on your Power BI service. Okay, fine. So just click on build. Click on build. Click on build. Now it is getting connected to your Power BI cloud where you have many workspaces. Okay. So basically, you know, basically to which I want to connect actually, let me connect to Rutvik. I don't have anything. My workspace. Okay. Let me go to my workspace. So we have something called as uh, okay. See here we have something called as supplier quality analysis sample. Yes or no? So we are interested in this only. Okay, so we are interested in this only supplier quality analysis sample. This is my data set. So select this and click on select. Click on select. So this is a basically string, which is connection string, which is used to connect to that data set. What is the data set? Supplier sample analysis. Just click on text connection. If it is okay, it is you are done. You are in a right path. So connection created successfully. Done. Now click on OK. Click on OK. Okay. So again click on test connection. It is done successfully. Click on next. Click on next. That is, you are establishing a connection with a semantic model or a data set that is stored in your Power BI service cloud. Okay. Now see here, whatever the data set is there here, in your data set there are many tables, right? Okay, all those we are getting imported here. Okay, so in this I want to create a table as I shown you in the previous class. I want to create a table where I have a vendor. Okay, so just here I have vendor. Okay, so just click on this vendor, then click on this, just drag and drop. See here, when you move drag and drop, blue color is coming. So vendor is next. Then what is the next columns? I have something called as measures. What are those measures? Total defect quantity. Just drag and drop. See here, after line, you need to drag and drop. Then we have something called as uh, total downtime minutes. Yes or no? These three are the columns that we have seen in the table report in your just now in the recent class. Just now we have seen the table view in the normal report, and we are creating the table now. Vendor is a column, then total defect quantity is the column, then total data reports. Now you want to execute this table, you want to load the data, just click to execute the query. Just click execute query. See here the data got loaded. Now just click next. That is simply I'm creating a table, that's it. A complex table having huge amount of data in your Power BI report builder. So now I need to group into different rows. So basically I can basically these two are values, defect quantity and downtime minutes, and vendor is you can group as a row group or column group. So what I'll do, I'll drag and drop vendor to row group. Okay, and drag and drop this total defect quantity and total downtime minutes to the values, because these two are values, basically measures, numbers, numerics basically. So I grouped these two numerics to the values and vendor to the row group. Then click on next. Okay, now see here, like this your table will be shown in the preview. You have a vendor column, then total effects quantity column, then total downtime minutes. Okay, so this is how it appears. That is the reason it's called the preview. It is a layout basically. Okay, then click on next. This is a preview how you will get display. Your table gets displayed. Click on finish. Click on finish. Okay. Now this is your table what you want to design. This is the table what you want to design. Now you can add a table, what you call the title for this. What is this? Vendor quality analysis. This is nothing but table report. What we have seen in the order report. The same thing we are developing in the Power BI report builder, which is nothing but your page related report. Now what I'll do, basically, this is our execution time. I want to display the page number also, or English. We have something called as left side pan. I have something called as built-in function where I want to see the language. Just drag and drop the language here. See here down footer. I got a language. Similarly, I want a page number also. This is my page number. How many pages? If it is 10 pages, then page number 1, 2, 3, like that you will get. Okay. So all these things. Okay. I think it's more than enough. Then what I do, just I will save this report. Okay. Just save this report. Go to file. Click on save. You can save it as vendor analysis. See here the report. The file is RDL. What DL means? Report definition language. Okay. So vendor quality analysis new is my report definition language file. Click on OK. Click on OK. The report has been saved. Okay. The report has been saved. Okay. So whenever you find something called as .rdl, it's something but your paginated report. It's nothing but your paginated reports. Fine. So now I want to run these reports. So basically you have something called as run. So just click on run here. Topmost, see my cursor. Topmost left corner. So when you click on cursor run, so the report gets run. Your table gets displayed here. This is nothing but your table. See here, you are not just, it's a preview. You are not able to display completely. Okay, just it's a preview only. Now see here, you are not, see the layout of your columns is not in a proper manner. The total second column, if you see the second column, total defect quantity is down actually. It is coming down. Then total down 10 minutes, it is not fitting to the proper manner. It is not, layout is not properly finished. Now I want to edit this again. How can I get back actually? So just click on design. Click on design. Again, I'll go back. So what I have to do, just here itself, I can fit my layout. Just I can select this. Okay. So I can change the layout here itself. Okay. So see here, I am able to get like this. Just I can see a move like this. See, I can see the total quantity here also. See here, now I am able to see. So let me do some gap, and you can do some n number of formatting options also you can do here. Okay. So if you want, you can just put in the center. So you can put this here center. Okay. You can change what you call it, bold to the bold. Then you can change the color also. Okay. So to the blue. Okay. So like this, you can change the color. You can change this also. Okay. So basically, you can change the colors to blue. Okay. Column colors to blue. Like this, you can go on changing the formatting the reports till you have patience. Okay. Fine. So now you can even fill with the background color if you want. Okay. A number of things. These are all right side. You have properties of each and every column. Okay. When you select this, each and every column is have properties. Okay. So all these things you have different properties where you can play around it. Okay. Fine. Just okay. So now let me save. Let me save and run the report. Okay. So there's some issue here. We save this file. Okay. Total time to minutes. Okay, everything is same. Let me check what is the issue. Put in proper order. Okay, so now you got a report. Now see here, you can now navigate the complete report. How many pages you have? See if I scroll like this, see here, this is a complete report where I can navigate. The complete report is getting into the page, yes or no? Now see here, this is the basically, time taken for time of execution. At around, I executed, today is my date, 7th May 2024. And 22nd, that is 10:54 p.m. I executed this report. This is nothing but your paginated report. That is, okay, where I can see the data, complete data in a single page. You can just click on print layout also. See here, this is a print layout. The complete page you can see. And see here, it is typing the English language. In which language it is? In English language. Okay. See, each and every page it is displaying. See the total report I'm getting. But if you see your normal report, I'm not able to get all this data. See here, now I am able to see zoom zone, zoom tone, okay, zoom house, all these things I'm able to see. I'm able to see the total. So now easily I can get the printout. These are nothing but your paginated reports. Hope you are able to understand, right? Okay, fine. So now just click on print setup. So now I can export the Microsoft PDF. Okay, fine. So print to file is on. So you can use for landscape, or you can go for Patriot. Okay, or you want to save it as a Microsoft PDF. All pages I want. So print. Just click on print. So it will open in the PDF file. Okay, PDF file. So like this. So basically, see here, this is your vendor analysis. Okay, so you can open your PDF file. So like this, you can develop your paginated reports, where if you want to, what you call fix or view the report, complete report in different pages, fitted into the complete page, where you can, it should be printable format, then you can go for paginated reports. Okay, paginated reports are designed, okay, exclusively for this. Okay, just you can go click on back or click on design. If you want to go design, you can click on design. Okay, now you want to publish this report. Basically, click on publish. Okay, now see here, just I'm publishing a report. Where I'm publishing? In your where I should publish your report, in a normal workspace or premium workspace. Premium workspaces. I have 3 premium workspace. My workspace is my premium workspace. Rutvik and Venkatesh workspace. Let me publish in Venkatesh workspace. Select this. Use some file name. What is the file name of your paginated file? Paginated file. What is that? Sample. Sorry, vendor quality analysis paginated report. This is for your understanding. No need to write it as paginated report. By seeing the symbol or icon or logo, you can find what is the difference between paginated report and the normal report. That I'll show you now. Just click on publish. Click on publish. That's it. It got published. Now you can get into your, go to your Power BI service cloud. Open in your Power BI service cloud. So this is your paginated report. Okay, this is your paginated report. Complete report. Fine. Okay, fine. Now you can export this to your PDF file. Whatever you want, you can export. Okay, so just click on open file. See here, this is your PDF file. Every PDF file, there is a time of execution and language because you have used that. Okay, fine. See here, everything you are getting the data. Okay, so everything it is printing on the page and it is very clear to take the printout. Now, if you want to, what you called, put the title names of every column in the page also, you can do that. Here also you can put vendor, downtime report, all these things. Just you can go back to your what you call paginated file. So just get into your workspaces. Just go to Venkatesh workspace. Now this is your paginated file, paginated report. You see here clearly it is showing it has paginated report, but this is a IT spend analysis sample is a report, simple report. See the icon also, this bar graph. Whenever you see the bar graph, it is a simple report. Whenever you see like this, this is nothing but paginated report. This is the difference in the icon of your paginated report or a normal report. And this is nothing but your data set or semantic data model, which is uploaded to the cloud. Dot 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 something. And this is nothing but your meter. Okay, yellow board meter. It's nothing but a dashboard. So each and every file is having its own image, yes or no, own icon. Based on that icon, you should be able to understand what is the type of, whether it is a report. Suppose if it is a report, whether it is a normal report or paginated report. Okay, with the help of the symbol. Okay, so whether it is a data set or what is that, or semantic model, or whether it's a dashboard or report, you should be able to understand when you go to the company. Suppose if you are telling this it is a report and all, they will fire you immediately. Okay, these very silly things, right? Okay, be careful. So this is your paginated report where already I got published in your Venkatesh workspace where I made it as a premium account. Okay, just now you want to edit this, you can just click on this more option. Okay, edit in Power BI report builder. Already I downloaded my Power BI report builder. Already I designed and developed this report, so I can edit here itself. Just click on this. Click on download. Installing download. I have already installed these updates. Just click on this. Okay, I'll allow this open. Okay, your Power BI report builder gets opened actually. Okay, see here your Power BI report builder gets opened. Click OK. Fine. See here it gets open. Now we can again go here. We can just what you call change the color you want. Okay, just now I want to change the color from blue to red. Okay, or this color. Okay, BJP color. Fine. So like this I can just again save. I can click on this is save. Already saved automatically. Okay, now I can again I need to publish. Please be careful. I need to publish. Or if you want to view this column in every page, you can just click on that vendor column, and you have some properties. Just you need to go through the properties, so where it is actually name, insert, list. Okay, so if you want to display this in every page, there is some property actually where you need to change it. Okay, just you can do some research on this. It will be here only. Visibility false, make it as true. Let us check. Is also true. Let us see. Okay, find repeat parent, keep together, hide duplicates, calendar. So all these things like this. Data element output, data element name, background color, right space. Okay, so all these are basically where you want to show this. You can just go through do some research on this properties. Yeah, position and all. Fine. So like this, I added a page number, but I'm not able to see what is the page number. So let me check what is the issue actually. So language, I added language. I already see the language execution time. Okay. So I think I will delete this language. Okay. So I will add only page number. So page name. Okay. This is page name. Page number I'll add. Okay. Let me see. I'll get page number now. So apart from that, you add what you call the user ID also. Who did this basically report? Which user is owning the report? Like this also. Let me check and try myself. So now just you can save it and go and publish it. If you want to run it, you can run. Test for yourself once. It is working fine. Okay. So let me click on print preview, print layout. Okay. Now see here I'm getting. See Ramana Prasad 1. Okay. This is the user 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All this I'm getting. Okay. Fine. So click on this. So let me have page number only and execution time. So click on publish. Click on publish. So again, it will tell just I am publishing the same. publish, it will ask yes, replace. Okay, it gets replaced. Like this. Again, I can go to Power BI. Hello, please mute yourself. This is a class. This is not a cinema hall. Please mute yourself. The session is being recorded. Okay. So now it has been published and this is your report. Fine. See here. Now you are getting the page numbers. Now you can just export to your PDF. Okay. Click on open. See here page number 1 and time of execution. You can get the user also, but no need actually. So page number 2, time of execution. Page number 3, time of execution. So like this, you get all the details. Now see here, basically it gets, we did some changes to this first column. You are not getting the first column. That is the reason why, you should be very careful when you are changing the properties actually. Okay. So just go and remove the changes and generate the report. That's it. Right. You get the first column name. So this is about your page generated reports. If you have any questions, you can ask me now. Very, very important. What is the difference between page generated report, normal report? The normal report, okay, the same thing in the normal report. Okay, so if you go to your normal report, uh, what is happening in the normal report, you are not able to see this IT spend analysis is a normal report, right? Okay, or you can get into help, you can just what you called when you open this, as I told you, vendor sample quality report, supplier quality analysis report, when you take the printout, you are not able to see the complete data of the table. Okay, so when you go to this report, top down beta analysis, so I'm not able to get the complete report, yes or no. This report I'm not able to get the complete table. Only this part I'm getting, yes or no. So when I take the printout, click on file, so just print this page. See here, only this part I'm getting. Even though when I go for landscape, only till this much I'm getting actually. So this is the drawback of your normal report. How am I eradicating the drawback? With the help of your paginated reports. These are your paginated reports where I can get the complete, even though I export the PDF, I can get the complete report fitted in one page. Okay. So this is one page, this is one page. Like this, everything is fitted into one page. Okay. So this is nothing but your paginated reports. So you can ask, see here, it is also asking, ask Copilot, just click on ask Copilot. Whatever you want on this report, you can ask the Copilot. Okay, fine. So, so basically, this is how you can leverage the Copilot. Fine. Okay. See, it is using searching. See here, vendor analysis report. All it is certainly it is asking something. Tell something about this report. It is giving everything actually. Okay, fine. Fine, guys. So if you have any questions, you can ask me directly about your paginated reports. If you don't have any questions, we can meet you in the next class. Like this, you can create charts also, visualizations. You can create a number of things. I created a table or column because 99% your page related reports will be your what you called table wizard. If you want, you can go for chart wizard also. Just click on chart wizard. Click on what you called data set. Create a data set. You can create your new. Okay. So just click on this or be a semantic model. Just click on build. Then you can just use your any one of the what you call it, data. I same thing I will use supplier analysis. Click on select test connection. I can create a chart also. That is not a see some charts will be very big. Basically, where you want to display in a one page, where you want to display in one page. If you want to fit the chart in a complete page, then you can go for page related reports. So what basically what you want vendor chart or whatever what you want, you can just drag and drop and you can get it the things. Okay, procedure is same again. Fine. The procedure is completely same. Okay, any queries here? Please ask some questions. No questions? So now you want to bar chart, pie chart. I want a bar chart. Okay. So it is a use a static display or same thing again. Categories, vendor, total defect, values, downstream values. Click on next. So this is your bar chart. So vendor A, B, C, D, E, F. This is the total defect quantity. This is where all these things, total times 2 minutes. You can't finish. Okay. So this is your bar chart. Let me run. Let us see run how it comes. So it is completely, you need to what you call just print preview. See here you are getting this bar chart like this. Okay. So along with chart, you'll be getting your what you call paginated reports like this. Okay. So like this, you can get into bar charts also or chart reports if you want, you can do. Or you can customize still if you want, you can customize the things. Go back to design, customize the things. Okay, everything you can customize. All these things you can customize the things, whichever you want. Fine. Just you need to check the layout and change the layouts. Make it a small this. Okay. So you can change the layout and all these things are save it, run. And you can that is so you can change the layout and you can run. You can again now see here it is somewhat better. Okay, so you can take the printout. Yes, next. So this is your printout. So here you are getting the chart. Again, then the chart, you need to adjust the chart properly so that you get here. So like this, you need to do the formatting based on your requirement. So this is now nothing but your paginated reports. So any questions? Rajan, Rajini, Srikant, Venkatesh. Fine, guys. So if you don't have questions, we'll meet you in the next class. So now next we'll get into something called as advanced analytics concepts, where we get into bit advanced levels, uh, which is very quite interesting also. Yeah. Thank you so much. See you in the next class. Bye bye. Have a nice day.